People, welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, you may remember back in 2017, there was a video of Wasteman who was walking through the crowd or the traffic at Carnival, right, and he was pointing, right, his piece at drivers as they were passing him, right, and he was just walking through the crowd. Clearly, he was intoxicated, right, just acting like an outright buffoon, right. The police turned up, right, they accosted him, and people were saying, well, that's it, he's done for. And at the time, I said, wait, before I say if him done for or not, I need to find out who this brother really is. Because depending on who he is going to play a huge role on whether or not him end up sharing a cell with Joel and them, right? And as it turns out, the more I got to find out about this Wasteman, man by the name of Zachary Reed, that's the person you're looking at on your screen right now, the more I became convinced him gonna bust the case. And what do you know? People, him just bust the case. Despite there being a video of him, right, showing that it clearly is him, and all the prosecution had to do, right, is prove to the court that it was him, right, or even bring it as far as to put him on the stand and ask him, was that you? Surely that should be enough. Because nobody turned up to court to testify against him, which of course they were not going to. This is Carnival, aka Uptown Splash, aka Uptown Sting. So none of them were going to go testify against their mate, right? So people, instead of going the easy route, which is, oh, Jamaica is a place where one rule for the rich and one rule for the poor, do we really have to talk about that? I mean, come on, my subscribers should know that by now. People, have you not watched my 116 acting video? I'm going to show you a bigger picture. I'm going to show you how our justice system and our system in general helps people like Zachary Reed. So listen up to me, people. You're going to need to hang around for this one. And please remember to hit the like button. First of all, let's clarify something. This is not about money. This is about class. Let me say that again. This is not about money. This is about class. Right? Certain youths, no matter how much money them have in their pocket, them could have 3 Lamborghini, 2 Porsche and a McLaren park up in their driveway. If that was them on that video, they will be down there getting to know Joel and them and all the other inmates that are down at the Horizon. Right? So that's the first thing we need to clarify. Let's not focus on the money. This is about class. Right? Now, some people love to tell you that people who look like Zachary Reed in Jamaica have no inherent advantages. That they have to do the same thing like everybody else, and anybody who's anything like that, them just bad mind. No, these people can continue to live in dreamland. That's okay. Right? I'm not going to go back and forth. Right? Some people refuse to accept their privilege, and that's fine. Right? Good luck. Now, people, let's look at how the system plays into this, because anybody who get hold on any kind of charge won't bust the case. So it's only natural you're going to do what it takes to bust the case. So instead of focusing on this particular Wasteman, let's focus on the system that helps and enables him to get away with things like this. People, you remember the government telling us that there will be a $1 million fine for taking pictures of people outside court. Well, guess what? There are no pictures circling around of Zachary Reed at court. See, remember I told you in that video, those laws are made to protect 116s. Because certain so-called business people, when them keep up them foolishness, them don't want to go to court and then people know what them look like for hurt their image. So again, look at your screen and take a good look at Zachary Reed. Because you might see him down the road and he might try to go like him better than you and try to go like him nice. So just remember, the same way they mark the random 87 in the street get permanently marked, well, this brother need to be permanently marked. Right? This is the man who was walking through the streets and pointing his piece carelessly at people and endangering people's life. Right? Now, Ask yourself how much Zachary you know. The people who are listening to this video right now, how many Zacharys do you know? The name alone should tell you people what was going to happen. Now, remember I showed you how the system help protects 116s and high profile criminals by saying we can't take pictures of them and we can't know what them look like. Right? Now I'm going to show you another way how the system help protect people like him. You remember not so long ago I did a video of the DPP, Paula Lewin, coming out and saying video evidence alone can't send man, right? Can't convict man. You remember that? Video evidence alone cannot convict somebody. Oh, just in time for somebody like Zachary to benefit from that. People, you see where I'm going with this? This is the system, people. Video evidence can't do enough. So now we have an incident like this where people not gonna turn up, they're gonna court us to testify. And you know what? I think some of those people didn't even bother turning up because they thought the case done. So maybe it's not even a case of, oh, them never want to testify against them uptown, because everybody who carnival is not from that social circle. So let me clarify that. Everybody who you have a mixture of people who carnival. So let me just clear it up. But maybe the people didn't even bother go court because they might think, well, why do I need to go to court? The man is on video walking through the traffic. It's clearly him. He's never denied it's him. So what do I need to go court for? So when you hear Paula Lewin come out and say, or Llewellyn, sorry if I'm mispronouncing the name. I don't know which one is Lewin or Llewellyn. When you hear the DPP come out and say, video evidence alone can't convict man, and then you hear you can't go court to take pictures of people, or otherwise there's a $1 million fine. People, you have to realize what is going on. All of these things are put in place to protect only some people in the society. So when the inevitable happens and things like this happen, not only can they be caught on video doing foolishness, but then when them turn up on a courthouse, you can't even take a picture of them for the world, see them and know, say, oh, him they do it. That way they can go right back to their high society life. They can go right back to their corporate setting and smile and knock their wine glass and bust big laugh. Ha ha ha. Life is good. So this is why I do the videos I make, people. It's not to say the same thing that every blogger can say. Every blogger is going to come out and tell you, oh, the rich and the poor, the rich and the poor. Every blogger is going to tell you that. I'm giving you from the angle, I'm showing you how the foundation is set in place so that things like this can happen. So when they do happen, you can piece it together. And this is why I say what I say and I do what I do, regardless of how people want to get upset. Laws are not written to benefit the poor. They're not written to benefit the masses. They're not written to benefit the middle class. The first thing, when the laws are being drafted, the first thing they think of is how can this help us? And by us I mean the political class and the 116s. It's not written to help no 87. What do you mean video evidence alone is not enough? The man is on video. Him couldn't even deny that it wasn't him on the video. Right? But because the DPP and the system knows, well, if nowadays we live in a video era, everything will get catched on video. So now we'll get brought into the light. So hear what you peasants need to know. Your local video evidence alone can't convict. That is why that announcement was made, people. Come on. This is why them say you never see smoke without fire, because when these things come out and you hear, for example, my latest video about they push the move things from 20 years to 70 years, I immediately got worried because now I'm thinking, okay, what them do? Because now something is going to come out down the road. I will not going to know because it moved to 70 years. people, keep your eyes open. Please, when you see me do these videos, it's not just to talk about the latest hot topic. It's to show you how they can apply in cases that come on down the road. This Zachary Reed case is a perfect example, and I've shown you how 2 recent announcements have helped to benefit him. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Please like, comment and share the video, people. Bless up.